We haven't exactly found our perpetrator, but we feel real certain that we're closing in. Excuse me, sir.
Ah! What are you doing?
I just had one more question.
I gotta
for
get
you.
to work.
Oh, this won't take up too much of your time. I promise.
Why are you?
I promise. It'll just take a second. I promise. So,
hurry up.
Something was bothering me. You know?
I'm sure it was.
I asked the neighbors, and they say that they didn't see anyone either enter or exit the house the time of the crime. And now, you know, at first I was thinking,
see the house. How would they see that?
Well, I was thinking, you know, you can't go too much on eyewitness accounts. Maybe the neighbors weren't looking. Maybe they weren't in their yards. Maybe they could not have been looking out their windows. It could have been anything except the day before the crime, you know, it rained a lot. And there was a ton of mud all around your house. But did you know we didn't find one single odd footprint? Every footprint matched your shoes. On top of which, we didn't find any signs of forced entry on any of the windows or the doors. Now, the neighbors, you could kind of throw that out. But couple it with the other two pieces of evidence, the shoes and the no forced entry, and it just leads one to think that it must have been someone who already lived in the house. Now, I was just wondering, maybe what your thoughts were about that.
I mean, I'm married, and it could have been my wife who ate the last of the cookies.
Now, we did think of that. And, you know, I interviewed your wife, and she seemed a very credible, honest person.
Of course she did.
We couldn't even imagine her doing something like that. No. No, it just doesn't fit. She just doesn't seem to have, you know, a single conniving bone in her body. No, it just didn't feel right. No, so we've already thrown out the possibility that it was her. It had to have been someone else in the house. It just seems to me like the only way it could have been. But anyway, you know what? Since you got to get to work, I'll go ahead and leave you alone this time. And we'll be talking. I'm sure I'll see you some more. But you have a great day at work. And
I'm already going to be late.
Try to stay out of trouble, huh?
Come on. Seriously.
Welcome back, foodie friends. We are back with Columbo. This time we're going to try his famous chili.
Well, thanks a lot. Boss yelled at me because I was late to work.
Why were you late to work?
What? You know why I was late.
Okay, you know what? I've tried to deal with this, okay?
You?
Yes. Okay. I'm doing the intro right now, okay? So I'm going to concentrate on getting this done. And then as soon as we get done filming, we'll go ahead and deal with whatever midlife crisis or mental breakdown that this seems to be, okay? But at least let me get this done.
Fine. I got work to do anyways. Jeez.
Okay. Okay, yeah, so anyway, we're gonna go back to making our chili.
Pause here to write down what you'll need to follow along. While your beans are cooking in a large Dutch oven according to package directions, go ahead and prepare your bell pepper, onions, and garlic. As for the parsley, I still had a few little pitiful sprigs from my winter garden and went ahead and used the last of what was there. Now I actually went ahead and cooked my beans in my Instant Pot and then transferred them to my Dutch oven. Add your large can of tomatoes. Saute your bell pepper in oil for about 5 minutes, then add your onion and cook until tender. At this point, you'll stir in your garlic and your parsley. You'll then add this entire mixture to your beans and tomatoes. And now, strangely enough, you're going to put an entire stick of butter into that same pan. Here's where you'll cook your beef and your pork until it's completely browned through. Once it's done, go ahead and drain all the fat off. Add it to the beans and tomatoes, and then go ahead and include your chili powder, your salt, pepper, and cumin. Bring all of that to a boil, reduce your heat, and then simmer it for about an hour. Remove the lid and cook it for about 30 minutes more, or until it's cooked down to about where you like it. Serve it in your favorite bowl along with some crackers, and you've got the perfect dinner to eat while watching your favorite episode of Columbo.
You wanna help Daddy? Go get it. Good girl.
Sir, I just
Ah!
have one more question for you.
What? Okay, fine. I did it. Okay, I ate the last of the cookies. I'm done. Ah!
Sir, you can't get away. Sir, I got the place surrounded. You might as well come back. You're just wasting energy.
So we are finally ready to try this chili, and judging from the smell, like, oh my gosh, I can't wait. So
It smells really good.
yeah, let's just do it.
All right. That is really good.
Oh wow, is that good chili?
That is an excellent chili.
Yes, and you know, I've always made chili from a very specific recipe from a well-known name brand that I won't say. I think this beat it.
Oh yeah, easy. Hands down.
This is oh my gosh,
I don't even know why. I just know it's better.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Like, I don't know what it is, and I was afraid because of a third of a cup of chili powder. I was like, oh gosh, this is gonna like burn and
No,
hurt.
it's perfect.
No, it's perfect. Like, don't be scared of it. Just put the whole third in there.
It's good.
You're gonna love it.
It is really good.
I am so, like, this is probably gonna be my new go-to chili now.
Definitely.
My new recipe.
If you ever make it any other way, I'm not eating it.
Yeah, seriously, like the other name brand recipe, no, we're not going there. Like,
This is really good.
absolutely love it. And in terms of the cookbook itself, I'm staying with the original score I gave it last week. I've got to read even more of it in between these episodes, and I just fell in love with it even more. I absolutely love it. I think you will too. And so far, I mean, we've tried 2 recipes out of it. Both have been fantastic. This is our new favorite chili. So we're just gonna stick with Columbo chili from here on out.
Sounds good.
Absolutely awesome. So that's all we have for you this week. Stay tuned for next week because we're gonna take a recipe from Aunt B and just pretend we're in Mayberry for a while. So stay tuned for that.
So we're done with the whole like crime scene trench coat thing finally then?
Okay, I have no idea what you're talking about, but I'm just gonna go ahead and enjoy my chili. Until the next time you do something wrong.
If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button for future videos. In the meantime, here are 2 videos you may enjoy. Thanks for watching.